Relax and close your eyes. Remember a time when you were deeply relaxed so that your mind and body adjust to the same level of depth and relaxation. Remember the pattern of your breathing when you were deeply in a state of relaxed awareness. And as you are aware of your breath, your mind will adjust to a deep, relaxed state. Breathing will become slow and short and rhythmic. Bring your attention to the third eye chakra and visualize a ball of indigo energy. This ball is bright and it's pulsating, rotating clockwise. And the energy of this ball is healing the third eye chakra, balancing the third eye chakra, cleansing the third eye chakra. The ball is becoming bigger and bigger. And as the healing of the third eye chakra is going on, we repeat the affirmations. By the end of these affirmations, the third eye chakra will be cleansed and balanced. I am aware of my true self. I am connected to the universe. I am intuitive. I am fearless. I am free of stress. I am relaxed. I am aware. I am aware of my purpose in life. I can make decisions easily. I have sound sleep every night. I have clear thinking, clear vision. I am balanced. I am in charge of my mind and body. My intuition is accurate. I'm fearless. I'm aligned to the universe. I can manifest anything. I have wisdom and intuition. I can read people's mind. My spiritual capacity is increasing. My spiritual powers are developing. I am balanced and peaceful. I am patient with myself and others. I am learning constantly. I am calm and peaceful. I meditate daily and I'm going deeper and deeper into meditation. My ability to visualize and imagine is getting better and better. My third eye chakra is healed, cleansed, and balanced. I'm growing spiritually, and day by day, in every way, I'm getting better and better and better. Relax. Notice how good you're feeling and let this relaxation and good feeling spread all over the body. I'm going to be peaceful and balanced throughout the day. And today is going to be the best day ever. Thank yourself, thank the universe, thank Reiki energy, thank Mother Earth, thank all the people in your life. Send good thoughts and positive energy to everyone. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now you can slowly open your eyes, feeling fine, feeling refreshed, energized.